Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will like to show you how you can reset your computer password without losing your data. It's very simple once you follow my steps. Alright guys, Microsoft has actually made a number of steps available for users to reset administrator password whenever it is needed. So in just a moment, I will show you the simple steps to get past the bridge. So we're going to go through a couple of different steps on how to resolve this. The two primary ways that you're going to resolve it is going to depend on if you're using a local account or a Microsoft-based. Before we jump right into it, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, the like button, and turn on notification, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you and thank you again. So we're kind of jumping right into it and we're going to start, and this will pretty much be the same process for whatever account type. We will be using our Windows bootable USB drive. So if you guys are familiar with the BIOS settings, you can change the boot order to your USB flash drive to be your first boot option drive. And that will be your computer off of the desk or the USB flash drive. And also, if you knew how to get into your boot menu options, you can use this as well. Now, depending on your computer's manufacturer, the key might be a little bit different, but generally it's either the escape or the F2 button. But for this video, we have a Dell PC, so hit F12 key when your computer is booting up. But again, it really depends on a case-by-case basis. So that's not really what this tutorial is about, but assuming that you have your Windows 10 installation media already ready to go, and we are ready to boot our computer off of our USB. So we're going to start by connecting our USB drive to the PC. It might be a little bit different depending the model of your PC. And then I'm going to swipe to any key to boot off of my USB here. And this will take a moment. And then once you're on this screen, hold Shift F10 all at the same time on your keyboard. I'm not telling you to tap the F key and the 10 key, it's one key. So hold down the Shift and the F10 button to open up the elevated command line window, and now you want to type in disk part 1 word, and then once you've done typing that in, and keep in mind, desk is spelled with a K. So make sure to type exactly what you see on my screen. Once you're done doing that, you want to hit enter. If you did it correctly, it should say Microsoft Diskpart version 10.0. And then once you're done with that, typing list volume, 2 words. LIST space then volume. And then, tap enter button again. So now you need to select your main partition on your system, where you're going to be having your Windows partition on. So you can see the largest one here. It's going to be over 24 gigabytes. And keep in mind, there might be some numbers here that look bigger. You need to choose the specific one in which your operating system was installed on. Keep in mind there's 1024 megabytes in a gigabyte. You don't need to mess with other volumes if you have any reserve partitions. Simply take note of the volume occupied by the Windows. So we want to select our volume 2 here, letter as D. So you want to type in CD space, and you can see our letter is D right here. It's D for volume 2. So we're going to select D, we're going to type letter D and then a colon. Once you're done doing that, tap enter on your keyboard. Now type exit. Then type in CLS, so CLS, that's not a word, CLS, then hit enter. And you remember our previous letter was E, so we're going to swipe E again. So D colon, no spaces. Then you're going to tap enter. Now you're going to type in D space Windows. Then you're going to hit enter. And now you're going to type in CD space System32. Then you're going to enter one more time. And now you're going to type in copy, space, utilmun.x. Space again utiln1. So the number 1.x. Make sure it's spelled exactly how it is on my screen right here. So it's copy space utilmun.x space utilman1. This is number 1. It's the number 1.x. Once you're done doing that, you should see one file copied. If you typed it incorrectly, now what you should do is type in copy space. cmd.x space. cmd1.exe again, exactly how it appears on my screen here. And this time we have a space in between. Copy cmd.x, cmd1.x. And then it should say one file copied. So now type in del space utilm.x. You wouldn't have the tel in front and a space in between those two. And then once you're done doing that, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. And basically this will delete the old. And now that you've done that, you want to type in re. Space cmd.x space utilmun.ex z. So again, renamed space cmd.x and other space utilman.exe, exactly how it appears on my screen. Then you want to hit. Now at this point, close out of any windows you have open on your screen. Close everything, cancel the Windows installation. Yes. Now, if you have a lock screen, you want to scroll up the screen. So you normally, what? And then when you're on a screen that appears like this, You want to go down to the ease of access icon down here, where it looks like a little clock should be the middle icon. You want to left click on it. And now this will open up a command line. And now you want to type in a control space, use a password too. And then once you're done doing that, press enter. Now click on the username. Let's zoom here. And then underneath password, you can click on reset password and there you go. Guys, simple as that. Enter in your new password and then confirm the new password. Then click OK. OK. Again, and then you can close all opened windows. Type in your new password. And there we go, guys. The computer has accepted the new password. So I hope this was pretty easy to get around. Thank you guys for watching and I look forward to catching you all in the next video. If this video helps in any way, give us a thumbs up, a follow, and we will like to get your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks and bye for now.